Korean restaurant is actually first in the Philippines, pero they have been expanding globally. They have been to different countries na rin po, like Singapore. Abroad, guys, 40 different branches na po sila, and they are the first to be here in the Philippines, particularly dito sa Angeles City. So what do we have? Let's check it out.
So what we have on our table, syempre ito yung mga best sellers nila. So on my side, meron tayo dito yung kanilang amazing plate, which is meron siyang chicken, meron siyang steak, at the same time yung mga sides nila. Cube steak, which is this one naman. Napakabango and napakagandang presentation. Syempre, sa mga chicken naman nila, meron tayong kanilang signature Yadli chicken and yung kanilang garlic chicken. Syempre, on this side naman, ito yung makikita nyo, ito yung kanilang fish cake soup. So, napakadami nito. Yan, parang siya Korean street food. Yan, so excited na ako kumain.
To start, gusto kong tikman yung kanilang fish cake soup. So this one is steaming hot, look at that. And then meron siya ditong sausawan or sa dip. I think there is wasabi dito. Ayan, no? Anyway, so let's just taste it like this. Init, kaya ko kaya to. Kaya naman pala.
So syempre, unahin natin yung kanilang steak. So to give you an idea, yung mga steak nila dito, tulad dito, galing sila sa branch nila sa Korea. So talagang pinapadala nila dito sa Philippines para matikman natin yung authentic Korean steak. Napakasarap yung steak nila. Ito, isa sa mga dip nila dito, which is, ito yung kinagulat ko, meron silang chocolate barbecue, which is isa sa mga napakasarap na dip, partner ng mga chickens nila, and yung kanilang steak. So, kanina, talagang tinikman natin yun, and napaka-solid niya. So, isa pa.
So now guys, I wanna try their cube steak. Although they name it cube steak, meron pa rin siyang mga shrimp or prawns na ganito kalalaki, guys. Ayan. So unahin natin dito, they have a dip. Ayan. Wow, the dip's good. Then yung prawn natin is actually very fresh. No, it's dry. There's steak. Dito na magkakaalam, guys. Tingnan natin ito. Right. Good.
Hindi naman tayo papahuli dyan. Titikman natin yung kanilang mga signature chicken, which is ito yung mga isa sa mga pinagmamalaki nila. This one is yung kanilang garlic chicken. Actually, napakalambot nila. Let's taste it. Sarap nga ng mga chicken nila. So ito yung kanilang mga parang mga whole chicken. Pero dito sa Yadli, available din yung mga boneless na for easy eating. At the same time, pure meat yung makakain nyo. Pero ako kasi mas gusto ko yung may mga buto.
Guys, ikot lang tayo ng konti and I wanna show you yung pinaka-dining area natin dito. But the entire place is actually napakaganda ng design and branding. Also in here, meron tayo ditong private room just in case, you want privacy. I think this one can accommodate up until 20 or more than. So it's big enough for groups. But then again, the rest of the place is really great for date or couple getaway, parang ganyan. So ayun guys, few minutes later, look at our table.
Yes.
Grabe, sobrang dami. So nagpapasalamat po kami sa Adli Plate for being such a generous host for this video. And if you're interested to come here, ano yung mga details natin, bro?
So this is located sa may Philippine Friendship Highway, Angeles City. And they're open from 12 noon hanggang 2 a.m. the following day. So mas mahaba po yung time natin para makapunta dito. And at the same time, kung kayo nag-crave for the different kinds of chicken, boneless, with bones, same time yung mga steaks and yung mga fish cakes natin dyan, available yan dito.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here and on our next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye guys.